Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss your lab exercise. Okay, there are two questions. The first question is about the changing the text properties here. If you look at the question here, you can see that there are three properties that we can modify. For example, text color, text size, and text style. Okay. So first we have a text view here, okay, and then we also have a radio button, okay. So once the user choose this option, okay, and it trigger to change the text properties here. For example, I check a blue, okay, and the text color will be blue, right? Uh, and then let's say I choose the text size as equal to 24, okay, and the size of text will be 24 dot per pixel. And we also have a text style here, normal, bold, and italic. Okay, so without further ado, let us discuss how to develop it. Maybe I just explain half, okay, of the code. Then later on you can complete the whole project here. Okay, first you have to design your layout. You can drag and drop the button here like this. Okay. In order to create this, you have to use a radio group. Okay. Inside the radio group, then you can add on the radio button like this. Okay. After that, you set the constraint layout for each component here. Okay. This is the radio button. Okay. This is the radio group. Okay. And okay. After all the assign the constraint layout, then you can go to the Java file here. Okay. If you look at the component, yeah, in this layout, okay, there are 6 radio button and 3 checkbox, right? So in the Java file, okay, you need to declare 6 radio button, okay, and 3 checkbox like this, and this is the text view. This is the variable for displaying text. Okay. After that, you need to create a link, okay, between widget and also the Java file. Okay, so this is the RB1 is radio button 1. And if you look at the XML file, okay, if you click this one, this radio button, you can see the ID RB1, okay, radio button 1, radio button 2, okay, this one, radio button 3, right? And then this is the radio button 4, 5, 6, and checkbox 1, checkbox 2, and checkbox 3. Okay. After you completing this statement, okay, you already link between a Java file and also the XML file or the widget one. Then you can set the set on click listener. For example, here when the user check black color here, okay, we want to set this text, okay, to be black. So we have to know here the ID. What's the ID of this text? Okay, the ID is the text here. Okay, and we can change the color, okay, by using set text color. So we can type the rb.1.set on click listener, okay, and we can add the control statement here, okay. If RB1 is checked, okay, and then we change the properties. We change the text properties here. We can write the text dot set text color, okay, in bracket color dot black. Okay. Same like the others radio button. Okay, for example, for radio button 3, okay, set on click listener. If radio button 3 is checked, okay, text dot set text color color dot blue. Okay, next one is a text size. Okay, for the text size here, we also when the user choose this option, okay, we want to change the text size will and follow this value 28, 24 and 18. So if we revert to the Java file again, okay, for example, here is the radio button 3, okay, set on click listener, a new view on click listener, this one, and then public void on click view. If radio button 5 is checked, we want to set the text, so we can call the variable of text, text dot set text 24. Okay. So this is the value, the integer value that we want to set to the text. Okay. How about the checkbox? Yeah. In the checkbox, we can declare like this. Yeah. Example, ch1 set on click listener, new view on click listener. Okay. After that, we can add a condition here. If ch1 dot is checked, okay, after that open bracket here, and you can use text setup text dot set type, okay, set typeface here, and then bracket typeface dot default. Okay. From style here you can type typeface dot normal. Okay, means that if the user check checkbox number 1, okay, we want to set the properties of the text with the typeface dot normal. Okay, once you check normal, what happened to the other checkbox? Yeah. So let's say we want to make it false. Okay, we can call ch2 dot set check false. Let me copy for the third one. Okay, and then let's run this application. Okay, example here, I already set blue here. Check blue, so it will be the text color will be changed. Let's say I change and then I choose the 28 for the text size. Okay, it will be greater than the previous one. Okay, and when I check normal here, okay, so the typeface will be normal. Okay, and this one not function yet. Alright, for the second question, it's about the calculator, a simple calculator. Here, user must key in the number, first number, second number, and then user must choose either one. Yeah, the operator here. There are four operator. Okay, plus, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So, and the result will be displayed in the text view here. Right. So how to create this one? You can let me create a new file here. Alright, this is the my file. Okay, then I can go to the wait a moment. Okay, I can go to the layout here. Okay, let me remove this one. Okay, number one is plain text here. This is first number. Okay, this is second number. Okay, edit text. This is the result, and the result also will be displayed in as a text view here. Okay, and then this is the operator. You can use the button, for example, here like this. Okay, and let us change the text number. Okay, this is the what is text. Let me remove. This is second number. Let me remove this one, and this is the result. Okay, this is text name. I remove like this, and this is the operator. For example, is a plus button here. Okay, so we set a constraint layout match to the parent. Okay, then we go the Java file here. Okay, so we need to declare the variable. Okay, private edit text one, edit text two, and then create a link. Edit text one equal to so what's the ID here? Check again. Okay, so I can change the ID here and edit one example. This is edit two. Okay, and this is the result. This is plus button example. This is the ID. After that, you can edit one. Edit text. Find provide id r.id dot edit two. Okay, and then button. Okay, we have to declare here private button. Example plus button ya. For example, plus button here equal to button find by id r dot id dot plus. Alright. So next, after you create the link between Java file and edit text, you can, oh yeah, one more thing, text view. I didn't see the text view here. Here the ID is a result, so you have to make a connection here. So private text view result. Result equal to text view dot result. Okay, and then okay, after that, if you look at the question here, okay, user must key in first number, second number. Okay, after that, user should press the operator. User should choose the operator. Okay. So means we have to set on click listener for each operator. So for example, here is a plus button. Okay. Set on click listener new v. Okay, and we can set here. Example is we want to get the value first, right? So for example, we can store it into a certain variable. Okay, let's say the input value is a floating number, so you can declare here as a double, yeah. For example, here private, okay, double, okay, x, y, and calculation, for example. So here I can type x equal to double dot parse double, okay, edit text 1 dot get text dot to string. Okay, here basically when the user key in the value here, okay, the value, whatever the value here, is the string value. Therefore you need to convert to another data type. Okay. If you want to do a sum calculation, so you need to convert the string value to the other data type. In this case, we want to use we want to create a calculator, and the value is the floating number, and we want to convert into the double type. Okay, so that we need to convert the string value to double. So you can see here, I can retrieve the data and the text get text dot to string. Okay, and then in order to convert, I can use the double dot parse double. Okay, and it will be stored into x variable, and here I already declare x, the data type of x is double. Okay, and for the second number, same. Okay, maybe I can change it to y here. This is edit text 2. Okay, I save it into y, and then the calculation, okay, equal to x plus y. Okay, and the result will be saved into calculation, right? And the calculation, the data type also calculation is a double here. Okay, next one, we want to display. Okay, how to display? We want to display into the result here. Okay, so I can call here result. Okay, dot set text. Okay, string dot value of calculation. Okay, so in the calculation is still in the data type, in the double, okay, data type. So in order to display, so you need to convert again into a string value. Okay, in order to convert from the double to string value, you can type like this: string dot value of. So whatever the value will be convert into string. Okay, and this is the variable. And in order to display, you can call the text view, which is the result. Okay, dot set text. Okay, let us see what happened. Then compile your application. All right. This one. Okay, the first number is the floating number. I can type like this, 1.5, and then this is the operator, and this is the result, 6, right? Okay, what happens if I leave empty like this, and then I add the operator? Okay, it will be error, isn't it? Okay. Okay, next one, we need to add the sum condition here. If edit text 1 dot get text dot to string, okay, is matched to empty like this, and then edit text 2 dot get text dot to string dot match empty like this. We want to add a condition that it is not empty, so we can add a not at the beginning like this, not empty. Edit text2 also not empty, so we can add this symbol. All right, so means this is not and this is empty. Okay, if edit text1 not empty, then proceed this one. Okay, and else means empty, right? Empty, we can set here result set text please type a valid number, example. Okay. Let us run again. Okay, I leave it as empty here, and result please type a valid number. All right. Okay. If you have a question, let me know. Okay, don't hesitate to contact me. Then you can continue to do all the question here. And this question, there are some operator here. Then you need to complete all of this thing and submit before Saturday, right? And this one, this is the first exercise. It's about the text properties. Okay, let's say if the user choose blue, the text color will be blue. If you choose the text size here, radio button option here, the text will follow this value. Okay, for the text style, this is the checkbox. So user allowed to choose more than one. Example, user choose bold and italic. Okay, so the text properties will be changed. Okay, and follow the user tick. So let's say user tick a bold and italic, then the result will be bold and italic. Okay, the face type here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this briefing for your lab exercise. So please proceed to your lab exercise. See you next video.